The 3-bedroom black Barndominium is one of the most searched, most pinned, and most dreamed about home concepts in the alternative housing space right now. And it is also one of the most consistently misrepresented when it comes to what it actually costs to build. The dramatic, dark exterior, the soaring open interior, the 3 bedrooms that make it genuinely functional for a family. This is a compelling home concept with a real and achievable price point in 2026. But that price point is not the number appearing in the kit advertisements. And it is not the number getting shared in the Barndominium Facebook groups. Today I am giving you the complete, honest, line-by-line cost breakdown for a 3-bedroom black Barndominium in 2026. Every phase, every system, every finished decision, and the honest range that reflects what real builders and real markets are actually spending. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what this home costs and why, and you'll be in a better position to plan, budget, and build than 90% of the people researching this topic online. Welcome back to the Homes and Haven. Subscribe right now and hit that notification bell because this channel delivers honest cost breakdowns and real build intelligence for alternative home construction every single week. Like this video if you're planning a Barndominium build and want accurate numbers rather than aspirational ones. Stay with me all the way to the end, because the final section covers the black exterior premium specifically, the real added cost of achieving that dramatic dark aesthetic, and the specific decisions that determine whether that premium is $8,000 or $35,000 on your finished build. That information is what nobody else is giving you honestly. Do not skip ahead. Establishing the baseline, what we are pricing. Before we go through a single cost number, we need to establish exactly what we are pricing. Because 3-bedroom black Barndominium describes a concept, not a specification, and the specification determines the cost. The baseline build for this cost breakdown is a 40-foot wide by 60-foot long single-story steel frame Barndominium, 2,400 square feet of enclosed living space on a concrete slab foundation. The floor plan allocates approximately 1,400 square feet to the open concept living, dining, and kitchen area, and 1,000 square feet to the 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom private wing. The exterior finish is a dark exterior, matte black or deep charcoal, standing seam metal roof, and wall panels, with a board and batten steel panel profile on the primary facades, black framed oversized windows, and a covered front porch that extends the full width of the building. This is a realistic, buildable, family functional Barndominium, not a minimal shell and not a luxury showpiece. It is the home that represents the most common 3-bedroom Barndominium build in the market in 2026, and the cost numbers I'm giving you are grounded in real contractor data from rural and semi-rural markets across the South, Midwest, and Mountain West where most Barndominium construction is happening. 2 honest disclaimers before we start. First, every number I give you is a range, a lower end that reflects competitive rural markets with available skilled labor and a builder who has done their homework on bidding, and an upper end that reflects tighter labor markets, more complex site conditions, and higher specification finish choices within the 3-bedroom black Barndominium concept. Second, the kit price and the finished home price are 2 completely different numbers. I will cover both. Do not confuse them. The structural package, what arrives on the truck. The steel building kit for a 40 by 60 foot Barndominium from a quality manufacturer in 2026 runs $22,000 to $45,000. This price range reflects the difference between a basic kit from a budget manufacturer using lighter gauge steel and minimal engineering documentation, and a quality kit from an established manufacturer using 24 gauge or heavier steel, engineer stamped drawings, and a comprehensive component package. For a black Barndominium specifically, the panel color selection, the matte black or deep charcoal finish on the roofing and wall panels, typically adds $1,500 to $4,000 to the kit price above a standard painted panel color. Darker colors require a premium paint system that provides adequate UV resistance and heat management for a surface that absorbs more solar radiation than lighter colors. This premium is real and worth paying. A black exterior panel finished with an inadequate paint system will chalk, fade, and deteriorate noticeably faster than one finished with a quality dark color coating system. When you are comparing kit quotes, confirm that the dark panel pricing includes a quality fluoropolymer or PVDF coating system, not a standard polyester paint, for long-term color retention. Kit erection labor. The cost of assembling the structural package on your prepared foundation runs $12,000 to $25,000 for a 40 by 60 foot building. Kit erection requires a crew with specific metal building experience and typically takes 4 to 7 days with a proper crew. Do not attempt to erect a steel building kit with a general carpentry crew that has not done it before. The anchor bolt alignment, the frame plumb and square tolerances, and the panel installation details require experience that general residential framing skills do not provide. Total structural package cost, including kit and erection labor, $34,000 to $70,000. This is the complete cost of getting the steel shell standing on your foundation, before foundation, insulation, interior, or any other phase of the project. Foundation and site work. The foundation for a 40 by 60 foot Barndominium slab. Reinforced concrete at 4-inch thickness, standard with 6-inch thickening at the perimeter and at any interior load points. Runs $14,000 to $28,000 in most rural markets in 2026. This price includes the concrete material, the forming, the rebar, the anchor bolt setting for the kit, and the finishing. It does not include the site preparation work that precedes the pour. Site preparation, clearing and grubbing if needed, rough grading of the building pad, compaction of the subbase, and installation of any required drainage improvements before the foundation is poured, runs $5,000 to $18,000 depending on your site's current condition. A cleared, relatively flat site with good soil conditions and easy equipment access is at the lower end of this range. A site that requires tree clearing, significant grading, rock removal, or extensive drainage work is at the upper end or beyond it. Driveway construction, gravel or chip seal from the road to the building pad, runs $6,000 to $18,000 depending on length, terrain, and surface material. Utility connections, electrical service from the road, water well, if municipal water is not available, and septic system. Add $18,000 to $50,000 depending on the distance to existing utilities and the soil conditions that determine your septic system type. A site adjacent to existing utility infrastructure is at the lower end. A remote rural parcel requiring a deep well and an engineered septic system is at the upper end. Total foundation and site work cost, $43,000 to $114,000. This is the category with the widest range in the entire cost breakdown, and the one most affected by site-specific variables that no online cost estimate can accurately predict without a site-specific investigation. Get real quotes from local contractors for your specific site before you budget this category. Insulation and mechanical rough iron. Insulation for a steel building Barndominium is not optional and is not inexpensive, and for a black Barndominium specifically, the insulation investment is more critical than for a lighter-colored exterior because the dark panels absorb more solar heat, creating a more demanding thermal management challenge. Closed-cell spray foam insulation applied to the interior face of the steel roof and wall panels is the most effective solution for a steel building Barndominium. It creates an air barrier, a vapor barrier, and thermal resistance in a single application, and at a minimum thickness of 2 inches it functions as a true vapor barrier that prevents the condensation and hidden rust that result from inadequately insulated metal building interiors. Closed-cell spray foam at 2 to 3 inch thickness for a 40 by 60 foot building, covering both the roof panels and the wall panels. Runs $16,000 to $30,000. Do not let anyone talk you into a thinner application to save cost. The 2-inch minimum is a functional threshold, not a conservative preference. Thermal break materials installed between the exterior metal panels and the structural steel frame, interrupting the conductive path that would otherwise allow the steel structure to act as a heat and cold conductor between outside and inside. Add $2,500 to $6,000 to the insulation budget. Thermal breaks must be installed during kit erection, before the panels are fixed to the frame. They cannot be added after the structure is assembled. Electrical rough-in, running all wiring, installing the service panel, and completing all rough electrical work before insulation and drywall. Runs $8,000 to $16,000 for a 2,400 square foot Barndominium with a 200 amp service. Plumbing rough-in, setting all drain lines in the slab, running supply lines, and completing all rough plumbing for 2 bathrooms, the kitchen, and the laundry. runs $8,000 to $16,000. HVAC rough-in, installing the ductwork, the air handler, and the outdoor equipment for a properly sized system that accounts for the metal building envelope's specific thermal characteristics, runs $10,000 to $22,000. Total insulation and mechanical rough-in cost, $44,500 to $90,000. Interior finish work. Interior framing, building the 3 bedrooms, the 2 bathrooms, the utility and laundry room, and any other partition spaces within the open steel shell, runs $8,000 to $18,000 in labor and material. The framing for a barndominium interior does not carry structural loads. The steel frame carries everything. So the interior walls are simple non-structural partitions that can be framed in light gauge steel or would stud at the builder's preference. Drywall, hanging, taping, mudding, and painting all interior wall and ceiling surfaces, runs $10,000 to $22,000 for a 2,400 square foot barndominium interior. The ceiling treatment in the great room is a significant decision for both cost and visual impact. A standard flat drywall ceiling at 10 to 12 feet hides the structural character of the steel building above it and is the least expensive ceiling option, but it also eliminates one of the most visually compelling features of barndominium construction, leaving the ridge beam and purlins exposed, painting them in a dark finish that references the black exterior, and installing a tongue and groove wood ceiling between the exposed structural members costs $8,000 to $20,000 more than a flat drywall ceiling, but produces an interior character that is the barndominium's greatest design asset. For a black barndominium, where the exterior makes a strong visual statement, an interior that lives up to that exterior statement is worth the investment. Kitchen finishes, cabinets, countertops, backsplash, and appliances run $18,000 to $55,000 depending on the quality level of the selections. Custom cabinetry in dark stained wood or black painted finish that references the exterior palette runs at the upper end of this range and produces a kitchen that is visually cohesive with the building's overall design language. Bathroom finishes for 2 bathrooms, vanities, tile, fixtures, and accessories run $10,000 to $30,000 for both. Flooring throughout the 2,400 square foot plan, polished or stained concrete, wide plank hardwood, or luxury vinyl plank, runs $8,000 to $22,000 depending on material choice. Interior doors, hardware, and trim, $5,000 to $12,000. Light fixtures throughout, $3,000 to $10,000. Total interior finish cost, $62,000 to $169,000. The black exterior premium, the honest numbers. Here is the section most people researching black barndominium costs cannot find answered honestly anywhere online. The real added cost of the black exterior aesthetic above a standard barndominium finish. The black exterior premium has several specific components. Dark panel coating system upgrade on the kit, $1,500 to $4,000 as noted in the structural section. Black framed window package, oversized windows and black powder-coated aluminum frames rather than standard white framed windows, adds $8,000 to $20,000 above standard window pricing, depending on the number and size of windows specified. A black standing seam metal roof rather than standard exposed fastener metal roofing. The standing seam profile is the correct aesthetic choice for a black barndominium, and the one that photographs correctly. Add $6,000 to $15,000 above standard rib panel roofing. Black front door and entry hardware of the scale and quality that a dark exterior demands. A pivot door or an oversized steel and glass entry door in black runs $3,000 to $12,000. Board and batten panel profile rather than standard corrugated panel on the primary facades, $4,000 to $8,000 premium. Optional black exterior enhancements that significantly elevate the finished look but add real cost include stone or brick veneer at the base of the building, $8,000 to $22,000 for a strategic partial application. Charred wood or thermally modified wood accent cladding at the entry feature and soffit, $4,000 to $12,000. Exterior landscape lighting design for a dark building, uplighting, path lighting, and entry illumination, $3,000 to $8,000. Total black exterior premium above a standard barndominium exterior, $22,500 to $61,000 for a comprehensive dark exterior that achieves the full visual impact of the black Barndominium aesthetic. A minimal black exterior, dark panel color upgrade, and black window frames only runs $10,000 to $24,000 above standard. The difference between the minimal and comprehensive black exterior is the difference between a Barndominium that is dark and a Barndominium that is genuinely striking. The complete cost summary. Let us bring the full picture together for a 3-bedroom black Barndominium of 2,400 square feet in a typical rural market in 2026. Structural package including kit and erection, $34,000 to $70,000. Foundation and site work, $43,000 to $114,000. Insulation and mechanical rough-in, $44,500 to $90,000. Interior finish work, $62,000 to $169,000. Black exterior premium, $22,500 to $61,000. General contractor overhead and profit at 15 to 25% of total construction cost, $31,000 to $76,000. Total realistic finish cost for a 3-bedroom black Barndominium of 2,400 square feet in most rural and semi-rural markets in 2026, $237,000 to $580,000. The lower end of that range represents a build in a low-cost labor market, on a site with favorable conditions, with competitive bidding, owner participation in some phases, and finish selections at the practical rather than luxury end of the spectrum. The upper end represents a build in a higher cost market, on a site with complex conditions, with premium finish selections and a comprehensive black exterior treatment. The honest midpoint, the number that represents a well-executed, fully finished, genuinely beautiful 3-bedroom black Barndominium built by an experienced contractor with quality finishes, but without luxury excess, is approximately $320,000 to $420,000 in most markets. That is a real and competitive number for what this home delivers. 2,400 square feet of durable, spatially generous, architecturally distinctive housing that will turn heads in every market it is built in. Add a contingency of 15 to 20% on top of your complete estimate. Site surprises, material lead time changes, and field decisions are not exceptions in Barndominium construction. They are normal features of the process. A contingency that covers them without stopping the project is not pessimism. It is the financial intelligence that keeps great builds from becoming stalled ones. If this cost breakdown gave you a more honest and more complete picture of what a 3-bedroom black Barndominium actually costs in 2026 than anything else you have found online, hit that like button right now. It helps this content reach more people who are planning builds and deserve accurate numbers. Subscribe and turn on notifications because we cover honest cost breakdowns and real build intelligence every single week. Drop a comment below and tell me, what market are you building in and where does your current budget land relative to the numbers in this video? I read every comment, and I genuinely want to help you think through your specific situation. Share this video with your build partner or your lender. The complete cost picture in this video is the conversation your project planning process needs to have before you commit to anything. Budget honestly. Build confidently. I will see you in the next one.